What's up everyone, it's Nate from Networkspace, and in today's video I'll walk you through the process of me creating a prototype for this amazing looking design. I'll show you guys how I created a prototype, so let's get right into it. By the way, I'm not going to show you the design process in this video, and if you want to see that, I've made a separate video on that, so you can check it out. So the goal here is this: we will create 4 replicas of the original design, which is to assign 1 frame per headset, and then we will change some aspects of the design. Finally, we will connect each frame together to animate it. First things first, we have to duplicate the original design and make another variant. We don't want to change everything from the original design because the design as a whole should maintain a common design pattern. All we want to do is change the text, replace the image, and move the sliders here at the right, depending on what's clicked. So first, let's change the text. Play with the position and the length of the text as you like. Then to replace the image, what we want to do is pull the first image back to the list and push the desired image to the front as shown here. And while doing that, we also gotta make sure that the sliders animate as well. So to animate the sliders, we wanna push the rectangle at the back to the top and change the opacity, while moving its image to the front, changing its dimensions. Then after, we have to push the other 2 sliders up and create another rectangle and put the first image in it. So let's get back to the design window and do just that. By the way, I've said this at the beginning of this video, but the point of this video is not to show you guys how to design, but instead it's about prototyping, so I'll just speed up the design process. And after making sure that the alignment is right using grid layout, we are good to go. Then create the other variants the same way as we did for this one. And once you're done, we will connect all the frames together. So to do just that, we first have to click this button at the top, which will bring us to a prototyping display. So now if you hover over any element and look close enough, you will see a little plus sign at the edge. And if you pull this plus sign to whichever frame you like, it will link the element with the frame. So now, if you play the prototype and click on the element, voila, it will take you to the frame that is connected to. And by the way, you can also choose when to perform an action. Like, it can either be while clicking the element, while dragging it, while hovering over it, while pressing it, double clicking it, or so much more. I'll just leave that to you. Just play with it and find what suits you best. So putting that aside, go back to the file and decide where you want to go when a button is clicked in each frame. Then connect each element of your choice to the frame that you want. Side note, I recommend doing frame by frame. Don't go to the other frames until you finished connecting the elements in the first frame. If you finished connecting all the frames together, it's a moment of truth. So let's play it. So this is working. The sliders are also working. They are animating as well. I don't think there is anything wrong with this. So this marks the end of this video. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, smash the like button and turn on the notification for further updates. And if you come this far, for real though, like if you come this far, big respect, like big respect, fam. Hope to meet you in another video. Peace out.